Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ukhuluma ubani na? Ngizokhuluma umdlali odlalela ama-Mamelodi okuMonapule Saling. Nyamazi ke bafethu uMonapule Saling is the former Orlando Pirates and Orbit College player. So ngizokhuluma ngesituation yakhe uMonapule Saling with iMamelodi Sundowns. Mukhumbula kahle ke izinsukwini iMamelodi Sundowns kade idlala nani na? Idlala nePolokwane City. Lapho khona iMamelodi Sundowns ishayile iPolokwane City. Kodwa ke kuthe sekuphela leyo game base bembuza ke intatheli zambuza ukuthi ke Coach, ngabe ukephi nendawo uMonapule Saling? Why singamboni uMonapule Saling? Why singambonanga kwi-preseason uMonapule Saling etravela naye team? Why engabonakalanga eyodlala kwi-CAF Champions League? Because niyazi uMonapule Saling was signed by Mamelodi Sundowns last season. Kubeke esephendula ucoach washo ukuthi ke yena ngokwakhe uMonapule Saling uyamthanda ngempela and ke ukusayinwa kwakhe kwakuyinhloso yakhe ukuthi ke asayinwe aye kuyona iMamelodi Sundowns. Kodwa ke ukuyiphatha kwakhe umdlali akhambiselani neclub. Izinto azenzayo lapha eclubini akhambiselani naye iMamelodi Sundowns. Yabo. So ngizobuyela emuva regarding yena umdlali. Uma ukhumbula kahle ukuhamba kwakhe kuOrlando Pirates kwagcwele inkinga. Yabo, if you remember iBucks camp. If you remember kwi-Bucks camp lapho khona bembuza ukuthi ke ingabe uright nomjida. Yabo, washo ukuthi ke akekho right. Wasemkhipha uJose Rivero wafaka uNkota lapho khona sabona khona uNkota edlala. Orlando Pirates played against Stellenbosch le eMosmabhida Stadium lapho khona bewina khona beshaya iSteelers. Kuthiwa ke days heading up to that game uMonapule Saling wayengekho with i-team. Yabo, he was not training with the team. Wayengekho nje engatholakali naseyingcingweni. Umjida ke watholakala ebusuku ngakusasa igame iyodlala. Yabo, waseke ejoina i-team wahamba ke waya kwi-camp wayodlala with iOrlando Pirates ngakusasa. Okuyinto engekho right kakhulu because uma wazi uMonapule Saling ngalesa sikhathi wayisithenjwa sayi Orlando Pirates and ke wafika wakora leyo game. Izinto ezikanjalo Orlando Pirates ayithathanga kahle. Sakwi-Pirates ziningi izinto ke esingayibonanga publicly, yabo, esingayibonanga esingayizwanga. Because there was a time lapho khona uMonapule Saling singamboni edlala. Kuthiwa ke uma ngikhumbula kahle iagent yakhe yakhuluma nabezindaba yasho ukuthi ke uMonapule Saling with Orlando Pirates kwahlalwa phansi. Yabo, ama-agents akhe uMonapule Saling noOrlando Pirates kwahlalwa phansi kwathiwa ke umjida bazomtholela usizo ukuze ke akothi ke asizakale abuyele esimeni. Yize ke singazi ukuthi ke iziphi lezi zinto lezi ke ayedila nazo. Ingabe depression, ingabe utshwala. Yabo, mukhumbula kahle kuOrlando Pirates each and every player ongenzi kahle uma ke emisa itraining, uma ke efika mhlambe ke kwi-training ephuzile, umdlali loyo uyaqondiswa o uyadedelwa. Yabo, uma ke umdlali ke engasafuni ke ukulandela imithetho yayo iclub esefuna ke ukuhamba ayojoina enye iclub, Orlando Pirates iyakwazi ke imrelease lo mdlali loyo. If you remember players like aboGabhadi Nomhango, players like aboSipho Mbule, players like aboThelezi, I would say Thelezi because I heard news regarding yena uThelezi coming from Johannesburg. So ke uMthelezi unezinto ezingezinhle ayezenza kuOrlando Pirates, ingakho ke badecide ukumdedela. Ngokwakho ungayitsho ukuthi why Orlando Pirates yadedela uThelezi kanjalo. uThelezi is the second goalkeeper kuOrlando Pirates. If kulimala uSipho Chain akekho goalkeeper singathembela kuyena rather than uThelezi. Yabo, you saw that during his seasons kuOrlando Pirates. If uChain wayelimala kwangena yena, manje ke sekhona udlala. There is a reason behind his release. Even uSipho Mbule laughed at his story ngosikhathi ke bembona umjida ke ereleasiwe. Yabo, wathuka ukuthi how nawe. Yabo, so they knew bobabili ukuthi ke kwenzakalani behind the scenes. So isituation yakhe umjida sengiphuma kakhulu endabeni ukuze ke ahambe kuOrlando Pirates ukuyiphatha wayengayiphethe kahle. Yabo, wayengayiphethe kahle wahamba. Orlando Pirates ayikufihla konke lokho. Yabo, ingakhombisi kwi-public because Orlando Pirates each and every story esiphumayo siyizwa ngayo Orlando Pirates. Yabo, so njengamanje nje besedlalela nje iMamelodi Sundowns, ucoach weMamelodi Sundowns uyafana njengoHugo Broos, akafihli lutho. Yonke into ekhona uyayikhipha. Yonke into eyenzekalayo behind the scenes uyayikhipha ubani na uMiguel Cardoso. Yabo, that is what I like about uMiguel Cardoso. Akaloku efihla lena le into ke emeyizwa ngaphansi ke uyayikhipha. And ke umjida lo uSaling indlela enza ngakhona njengamanje abantu abanengi they were blaming Orlando Pirates ukuthi ke Orlando Pirates ke ayimkhokheli umjida imali emfanele. Yabo, kuthiwa wayeholo 15,000 onkota beholo 16k. Kanti ke it's deeper than that. It's not about the money, but it's about the behavior. Coach said the player is not coming to train with the team. ubengekho kwifinal ye-Champions League, akafikanga ukuzojima with i-team iMamelodi Sundowns, akafikanga ukuzojima with iMamelodi Sundowns. So decide ukuthi-ke bambeke kancane, bathi nje kumbrekisa kancane because kuningi angakuhloniphi la kupha kweMamelodi Sundowns. iMamelodi Sundowns muza lapha uza emsebenzini. Abantu ababuye bakhohle ukuthi-ke abadlali nje asibebona ku-TV basemsebenzini, njoba uvuka ekuseni uya emsebenzini. Uma ngase-ke uthi ukuma kancane emsebenzini ungayi without consulting anyone, ungaguli ungenalutho, kuzoba khona ama-disciplinary hearings azoba khona, kuzoba khona iy'nyathelo ekumele y'thathelwe because wena uyaholela ukuthi-ke ube umdlali weMamelodi Sundowns, uyaholela ukuthi-ke usebenze, kodwa wena if ungafuni-ke uwenze lo msebenzi lo simple ukuthi-ke udlale ibhola uqhamuke uze ejimini, because ukujima it's part of ukuyidlalela i-team. Yabo, some people think abadlali abahlala kuma-stands abathola imali mahhala. No, kujinywa kushawa i-training enzima. Each and every player who is contracted kweMamelodi Sundowns, they have to contribute, they have to train. These players are getting paid of training with the team, some of them. So i-situation yakhe uMjida i-serious ngempela and iyalidinga usizo because njengamanje kuzoba ngathi-ke ngizothini, kuzoba ngathi-ke iMamelodi Sundowns idlala ngayo, iMamelodi Sundowns ibulala ama-career. Cha, iMamelodi Sundowns awabulala ama-career. Umdlali uyena ongayithathi i-career yakhe serious. You cannot tell me ukuthi-ke uzowenza the same mistake oyenze ku-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates is a big club. It is a big club. Yabo, uzothola ithuba eliyingqayizivele, uzodlalela i-team njengamaMamelodi Sundowns nayo eyenza kahle ekwazi ukuthi-ke iwini icoco. Wena-ke uzothatha lelo thuba lelo uzolwisa phansi. Yabo, you can see the videos uMjida happy and all of that. It seems like khona into engekho right. And-ke mengaphumela ubala mhlambe kakhulume ngayo leyo nto le, ozoqhubeka eba ney'nkinga kanje noma yiphi team azoya kuyona. Because ngiyakhumbula nakuyona i-Orbit College kwathiwa-ke lapho nalapho kunama-games angafikanga ezotrainer with i-team. There was a camp eyayikhona for iBafana Bafana le iyodlala, I think eyidlala nama-games lawo Bafana B team. Ngikhohle leya tournament leya, but-ke lapho khona sadlala khona no-Egypt, yabo into ey'kanjalo. Wayekhona uMjida lo Saling kuleyo camp, wayekhona kuleyo camp, but-ke kuthiwa washeshe wahamba without telling anyone ukuthi-ke kwenzakalani. Yabo, there were many speculations stating that Orlando Pirates was the one who took the player because he was playing kweBafana Bafana. Asazi, the player knows ukuthi-ke kwenzakalani ngaye, but mina ngokwami I feel like kuningi okukhona esingakwazi. And the situation yakhe, it is very, very disappointing. I'm a big fan of Saling. People know ukuthi-ke I'm a big fan of Saling. But-ke i-situation yakhe, But-ke wena ungangitshela ngokwakho kuma-comments, what do you think regarding i-situation yakhe lo Mjida lo?